Hey everyone, today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. Let's take a look at the market. It seems that the NASDAQ right now, again, we are in this particular band that's expanding volatility. I've been saying that for the last couple of months, and we had an over reaction, then we had an overextension, then we had an overreaction here. It seems that what I like to see is the price to be within this range, within this particular range, that's symmetric, and the price would be able to climb back into the pink lines, this particular band here, right? But it seems the price is not able to get back into the band. Not only is not able to get back into the band, is consolidating outside of this particular line here, okay? And that is a very concerning pattern to me, that the price is just weak. It just the buyers are not able to even get the price back into back above this particular line of resistance or support or whatever, right? And the price is consolidating outside of it. So the longer we consolidate here, the higher the chance we are going to roll over to further downside, and that is probably going to happen in the next couple of days, in my opinion. So right now, 2 days ago, I've been liquidating my profits. I've been taking profits in my portfolios since 2 days ago, since September 15th in the morning. So I've been doing that on September 15th, around starting from 9 o'clock when the market just started to open. And now I have pretty much completed taking profit, okay? And so it's potentially that we have, maybe tomorrow we're gonna have another run up to the upside. I don't know, we have a small bounce, but by just looking at this particular chart here, the market right now is weak. And it's probably need to find more buyers at a lower level to attract more buyers. Because at this current level, we test this level once, twice, third times. And if we test this another fourth time, fifth time, eventually it's gonna break. It's just pretty obvious, right? Like just how it works. And I think we are probably in a similar kind of a structure when we were at, let me see, here, right? Here, where we had a kind of the price keeps coming up. So after this thing dipped below, the price went up, but the price kept coming up to this line and it just couldn't hold. Eventually it dips way down below, to try to attract more buyers. Eventually it found more buyers and has a V-shaped recovery in December 2018. So this could be something that could potentially happen for NASDAQ, and so I think we might go down to find more buyers. Okay, other than that, let's take a look at cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is kind of interesting that Ethereum, in contrast to the stock market weakness, Ethereum is actually outperforming the market for the last 2 weeks. It's going higher highs, higher lows, but I don't trust this rally as this moment, because we are in this range, this potential range of resistance, where there was a lot of people who bought Ethereum, at this particular level, within this level, and potentially we could fail, right? There are people selling, there are people buying, but eventually the buyer could be exhausted, and then we start roll over again. So that is definitely a possibility. So I don't trust this rally to be a rally to another high. In my opinion, I think this is just a sucker's rally, as far as I can see, right? Yeah, and I think that's it. That's everything, and see you next time.